This world has a serious problem, for example, of depression and sadness. Today's youth, as they grow into their teens and young adulthood, they try to make sense of this chaotic life, to get validation through their Facebook or their Twitter and so on. And it creates isolation. One must understand that if you are to be in a depressed state, you have to change your activity, change the way you think. And many would say, I want to, but it's so hard. It might appear hard, but if you really go through the 3 different qualities of the mind, which I explained in the previous session, and you start making the decision, okay, what activities can I perform which are going to bring out the white, the sattvic, the gentle, loving, giving qualities? Where should I go? What should I do? How can I change up